you're going to be able to communicate so much more of the sales message and bridge your ad to the webinar to actually building a profitable business online. You can offer your freebie, your ebook. So an ebook. So I have learned a few different tricks this week that would have made my life a heck of a lot easier when I was making my book. But what it will do is allow you guys to make an ebook that is particular to Digital Genius Lab. This is going to be more of an informative ebook that says, here's what we do, here's how we do it. Is this something you're interested in or not? So the first thing you're going to do is build a book cover in Canva. I want to show you just real quick that it is sitting there ready for you, and it is just as easy for you to build an ebook cover as it is for you to build a quote card. You go to create design, and then we're going to scroll down a little bit to blogging and ebooks, and you select the book cover. Pick your theme as normal. And then here, I'm just going to say why I chose to build a business online. All right, we're not going to get picky with it. We just want to do that. And then here you're going to download. So you're going to download it 2 times. One, you're going to download it as a PDF. And then if you do have the Pro Canva account, you do want to download it as a PNG. But our book cover is made. Let's go back to our little roadmap here and see what our next step is. The next step you're going to do is you're going to do a welcome letter. And your welcome letter is going to welcome them, share a little bit of your story and your why. And to do this, just do it in Word. If you're on a PC, do it in Pages if you're on a Mac, or do it in Google Docs if you're on either, and then you just save it as a PDF. Then you're going to get what others are saying. So on that book cover, I said why I chose an online business and then what others are saying about it. So to do that, we are going to go to another little handy tool I learned recently. But first, we are going to come here to our replay link, and we're going to copy this link. Then we are going to open up this website called printfriendly.com. And you simply paste that little link of my replay page in, and it has generated a nice looking PDF. I'm going to save this. And I'm going to go back to my little ebook tracker there. And the next thing we're going to do is a call to action. We're going to put together or do a closing letter that has a call to action in it. Then you're going to combine these PDFs and save them. To combine PDFs without buying Acrobat Pro or some crazy Adobe software, you just come to combinepdfs.com, and here you simply upload your book cover, your cover letter, the testimonies from the replay page, and your call to action. Now you'll have an ebook that you can share with whoever you may want incredibly quick and done. Now, how do you get this to them in ManyChat? You save it to Google Drive, to an Amazon S3 account, or Dropbox. All of those are free. Then you get that link and you put that link into your ManyChat that you send out and they'll give them the free ebook. Or if you are emailing, you would put that in as a hyperlink in the email that you send out to them. And that's it.